Hey everyone, in today's digital landscape, understanding SEO is as essential for businesses as air and water for humans. So, just like Maslow's hierarchy of needs, where fundamental needs like food and water must be met before we can focus on higher aspirations, SEO has its own hierarchy. To succeed, you have to build a solid foundation before climbing the ranks of search engine result pages, which is called as SERPs in SEO lingua franca. So if you are just getting started with SEO, this guide will break it all down from the basics to advanced strategies, ensuring you master the essentials before actually scaling up. So let's start with the basics of search engine optimization. See, search engine optimization is not some magical process that guarantees immediate success. It's about optimizing your website so that it appears more frequently and prominently in search engine results. So think of search engines like librarians. They organize information and offer the most relevant results when somebody asks for it. Your job as an SEO professional or business owner is to ensure your website has all the books the librarian, uh, search engine in our case, will want to share. I hope this cleared the air a bit. See, but SEO is not just about ranking higher, it's about delivering what your audience is looking for, right? If you are wondering how to start, let's break down SEO from its fundamental concepts and then build on it. So, first, let's talk about Maslow's hierarchy of SEO needs. Maslow's hierarchy of SEO needs. So, SEO experts often talk about Maslow's hierarchy of SEO needs, which mimics Maslow's psychological hierarchy. Created by Mose Randfishkin, it illustrates the order in which SEO strategies should be prioritized. Sorry. The idea is that you cannot focus on higher level SEO tactics like advanced link building unless the basics are in place. And so here is what the pyramid looks like in a nutshell. First is crawling and indexing. So search engines must first be able to find and index your content, right? Then second is content and keywords. The right content and keywords must be present on your site. Third part in this pyramid is on-site optimization. Your site should be user-friendly and optimized for speed and structure. The fourth one, now we are going up the hierarchy, is authority and link building. So building authority through backlinks. Then fifth is user experience, which is basically ensuring your site's experience is seamless and valuable. Now let's explore these concepts starting from the ground up. So before diving into the detailed tactics, here is a quick start guide to SEO. Number one, start with a clean, fast website. So you need to ensure your site is mobile responsive, fast loading, and has clean code. Number two, do thorough keyword research. Find the terms your audience is actually searching for. Put in some effort to figure this out. Number three is create high quality content. Write for humans. Write for humans, optimize for search engines, and not vice versa. Fourth one is get backlinks. The more reputable sites that link back to you, the better it is. And fifth one is track and optimize. See, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. So track results and tweak your strategy based on performance. Now we talked about a few steps. Now let's dive into each step in more detail. So first, we need to actually understand how search engines work. Only then we'll be able to figure out how to rank on it, right? What is crawling, indexing, and ranking? So at its core, SEO is about making your website easy to find and rank for search engines. So here's how search engines work in a nutshell. Number one step is crawling. So search engines like Google use bots or spiders as they are called to crawl websites. They follow links from page to page and gather information. This is crawling. Next step is indexing. So once crawled, search engines index the pages they have found. Now this means they store the information so that they can retrieve it when somebody searches for a relevant keyword. So this was indexing. Then comes ranking. So when a user types in a query, the search engine retrieves the most relevant pages from its index, ranks them, and shows them in search results. To rank well, your site must be crawlable. That's the first step, right? Search engines can access it. Then it should be indexable so that search engines can store it, and relevant so that your content answers the user's query. Next step now comes keyword research, where we try to understand the search intent. So this is second step. Keyword research is the cornerstone of SEO. It's about finding what your target audience is searching for and creating content around those items. So first is head keyword, which is basically broad, highly searched terms like shoes or SEO. Then you have long tail keywords like more specific, less searched terms like best shoes for hiking in summer. So the entire best shoes for hiking in summer is a long tail keyword. Using a tool like Keyword Planner, Google Keyword Planner or RFs, you can find keywords that have high search volume but lower competition, therefore making them easier to rank for. Remember, keywords should align with search intent. Are people actually looking to learn something? If they are looking to learn something, it's informational. Are they looking to buy something, which is transactional, or find a specific page, which is navigational intent? Then comes on-site optimization to make your content and website user-friendly. So this is third step. On-site optimization. So this is also known as on-page SEO, which ensures that your content and website structure are optimized for search engines. So here's the checklist. Number one is, we're talking about on-site optimization. Title tags and meta description. So these are the first thing users are in search results. Ensure they are compelling and include your primary keywords. Number two is header tags, which is H1, H2, H3. So organize your content with headers to make it more readable for both users and search engines. Then number three is keyword placement. So your primary keywords should appear in strategic locations like the title, first paragraph, and headers. Then next is image alt text. Image alt text. So basically search engines cannot see images. So you must describe them with alt text. The next one is the internal linking. You need to link to other pages on your site to help search engines crawl your website better. Right? So after on-site optimization comes technical SEO. You must have heard this term a lot. So it comes technical SEO, which is the foundation of a great website. So technical SEO goes beyond just keyword optimization and ensures that your website is structured in a way that is easy for search engines to crawl and index. Here I'm listing some important aspects of technical SEO. Number one is XML sitemap. This is basically a roadmap for search engines to crawl all your important pages. Number two is robots.txt. This basically tells search engines which pages they should and should not crawl. The next is site speed. I'll tell you, page load speed is a ranking factor. So use tools like Google Page Speed Insights to ensure your site loads quickly. And this is a very important factor, let me tell you this. Then next is mobile optimization. Your site must be responsive and easy to navigate on mobile devices, as mobile first indexing is now standard. It's a standard for SEO. So this was technical SEO. After technical SEO comes link building, which is basically for establishing authority. So link building, you all know, remains one of the most challenging yet essential aspect of SEO. When reputable sites link to your website, search engines view it as a vote of confidence. The more high quality backlinks you have, the more authority your site has. So this is how I describe how to start building links. Number one thing I'll do is guest blogging. So you need to write articles for other blogs and link back to your site. Then number two is broken link building. See, find broken links on reputable sites and offer your content as a replacement. Right? Broken links. Third is skyscraper content. So create high quality content that outperforms competitors' pages and therefore encouraging others to link to it. So this was link building. Now finally comes the concept of measurement, prioritization, and execution. See, I'll be honest with you, SEO is not a set it and forget it task. You need to continuously track performance, measure results, and tweak strategies. But how do you do it? I'm here to tell you this. Here's how. Number one is Google Analytics. Now use this free tool to monitor your site's traffic, user behavior, and more. Number two is Google Search Console. So see how your site is performing in Google Search and fix any issues there. Number three is A/B testing. You need to test different SEO elements like meta descriptions to actually see what works and improves click-through rates. Now finally we need to discuss the role of user experience in SEO because its role is increasing day by day. So user experience, as UX it's also called, is a key SEO ranking factor. If users come to your site and quickly leave, which is known as bounce, search engines may interpret that your content is not relevant. So focus on these areas to improve UX. Number one is site navigation. So which basically ensures users can easily find what they are looking for. Number two is content layout. So break content into digestible pieces with clear headings, bullet points, and images. Number three is mobile usability. Since more than half of the searches come from mobile, optimizing for mobile is critical. In India, the traffic is more than 90% for mobile. So SEO is not a quick fix. It requires patience, persistence, and continual learning. But if you follow the steps in this guide, you are well on your way to building a site that ranks well, provides value to your users, and drives consistent traffic. So by now you should have a solid understanding of what it takes to succeed with SEO. See, this is like any other complex endeavor. Mastering SEO requires focusing on the fundamentals before moving on to advanced techniques. So whether you are just starting or looking to enhance your current strategy, remember that SEO is a long-term game. Measure, adjust, and continue optimizing to climb the search ranking. See you in the next video.